Here I have XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly I have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings and enable scan QR codes feature. And now let's try to scan some QR code. I prepared you this one, so let's scan it. So when you see QR code, this icon appears here, you tap on it and you can see the link which is like been encrypted in this QR code. Let's go to the website, and as you can see, that's what I QR code in this QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.